Hi everybody, it's your girl JillyV. Thank you for coming back to my channel and watching some videos. Today's video is going to be a makeup look using new products that I just recently purchased. Okay, so for the first product that I want to use today will be the Becca Skin Love Brightening and Blur Primer. And so I've never used this before, but it's very nice packaging. And so I've already moisturized my face, so I'm just gonna go in with the primer and smooth it on my face wherever I feel that I have the most visible pores. The Becca Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation, and this one is going to be in porcelain. Similar packaging as a primer, just clear so you can see the foundation color, and then it's a pump. So I'm gonna go and do 2 pumps, taking my beauty blender, and let's see, it might be a little bit too light. It's called the Instant Age Rewind Eraser in Warm Light number 115. So you're just gonna blend this out. So I'm actually going to go in with the Bare Minerals Bare Skin Perfecting Veil pressed powder, and this one is in light to medium. I've used this one before, but I really like to set my makeup with pressed powder. Y'all see my cat in the background? Which is right there. So let's go with Too Faced Fruit Cocktail Blush Duals in Cherry Bomb, and it's a dual, what do you call it, blush with a little bit of a highlighter color. Kind of put on your cheeks. My bronzer, the normal Too Faced one that I've been using. Okay, now get your loose setting powder. I'm using the Airspun one. Fluffy brush, and then kind of blend out those harsh edges on the blush and diffuse the color to a little lighter. See, so it's not as harsh as this one. So now that we put primer, I'm going to use the Laura Geller Iconic New York collection Downtown Cool eyeshadows, and they're very pretty. Grab yourself a shader brush and go in with the lightest color of the palette, so kind of like a neutral cream white, off-white color. And then you're gonna put that all over your lid. It's gonna be the base color with the brownish color here, which is called this. So this one first was called Cream, and this one here is called Sahara. It's kind of like a taupey brown color. So pack that on your brush, and you're gonna go above your crease. Well, in your crease and above your crease. Make sure you get the windshield wiper movement. Side to side, circular movements. Gotham, which is this dark one right here. I'm just gonna grab a little bit, and then I'm gonna concentrate that in the outer corner to smoke it out. Again, remember you want to do the outer V and pull the color in to your crease. You want to grab another fluffy blending brush. It's just a random one, I don't know the name. I'm gonna go back with the cream color for my highlight on my brow bone. Okay, now I'm gonna go back with a shader brush to reapply the cream color on top of my lid. So I'm using the Bedlam Tools 774. Going back with the cream color. And then I'm gonna just pat the cream color in. There you go. That's what we need. We need a liner. So I'm going in with the Morphe Ink Felt Tip Liquid Liner in black. And then I'm gonna do a winged eyeliner. So you can start off with little strokes and pull them out, you know, so it's like connecting them. And then when you get to the corner, sorry, I got a little itch. Then when you get to the corner, you're going to wing it out. And do a cat eye. So you basically put the felt tip on the corner of your upper lash line and pull it up, and then right where the tip is, you're going to then drag that line in. So you see the way it looks. As you can see. So for the mascara, I'm excited. I bought this new one called The Feathers from Pretty Vulgar, and the packaging is so adorable. Look at that. This is so unique. So I'm gonna grab some and remove the excess, and then I'm going to just apply the mascara. Next, we're just gonna finish the eye by doing the brow, and we should be done with this eye. Again, I'm using the Maybelline Fast Sculpt Brow, and it is just a gel, medium brown gel that you coat your lashes with and set them. And then clean it up with a Q-tip if you need to. There you go. Oh, that looks black. Or darker than usual. Taking a Q-tip just to clean up the edges. And then we should be done with this eye. Perfect. Okay. So I'm gonna go in, finish this side, and then I will come back. Okay, so I was able to finish this side, or at least this eye, and then I realized that I had not done the bottom part of my eye before. So I just put on Urban Decay 24/7 in zero, 24/7 eyeliner in zero on the waterlines in my eye. And then for that darker color, I smoked it out using the that darker brown that I went in the crease, and I just kind of smudged it out and smoked it out. Other than that, everything else is the same. So I thought we would go ahead and highlight my face, and we're using the Too Faced Love Light Prismatic Highlighter. So I just bought this, have not used it at all, and it's very pretty packaging, and that's what it looks like. Sorry. So grab an angled or a fluffy brush you can grab, and then put on your cheekbones. I guess that's pretty much it for the face. The only thing left would be a red lipstick, and let's go with, I've used this before, but this is the Kylie Jenner matte liquid lipstick, and it is in Mary Jo K, right? Mary Jo K, I guess that's what it is. So you're gonna put it in your lips. There you go. So this is the Plush Rush Lip Gloss from Butter London, and it is in Siren. Okay, so my nose is running, sorry. So just regular lip gloss. So I don't know, she's kind of sticky. So I feel like for the pinup looks, you usually like the matte colors, but because I was trying out new products, I wanted to at least use it. And then to finish off the look, I am going to just use my Urban Decay All Nighter makeup setting spray. And there you go. That's pretty much my pinup look. You know, not natural, but like smoky natural eyes with the wing cat eyeliner, and then the iconic red lipstick. So yeah, there you go. I hope you liked the video. But yeah, so thank you everybody for coming. See you in the next time.